This is the FY16 Pro smartwatch. It's a really nice, sophisticated, thin, and efficient smartwatch. When you swipe down, you have all these different functions, including Bluetooth calling, which you can activate or deactivate on the watch, paired to your phone to make and receive phone calls. You have Do Not Disturb capability. You have your voice command for either Siri or OK Google. When you're tethered to your phone, that will activate and give you whatever you ask for on your phone. Pretty cool. You got a brightness control and 650 nits on this. When it's full brightness, it's easy to see outdoors in bright sunlight. You can add a lot of other things to this listing here through the edit function, like how your apps appear, whether they're in the Apple style of lots of little icons you move around, or list view like we're showing here, or others. And you have access to your social cards, QR codes, or your wallet where you can have QR codes for some payment functions like the PayPal, I think, is one of them that some countries will allow. When you leave here, you can come over this way and get a little pull-out sheet that gives you some basic information and some quick access to the most recently used apps and features. You come up here, you got notifications sent from your phone, and this way, normally it's nothing, but you can add all these different cards, including your step count for the day, your heart rate. Leave it a moment and it'll automatically start reading it with the green diode back here. You got the same thing for blood pressure. It'll take a reading on the fly as well. Remote music player. When you're tethered to the phone, it'll play your music through the watch. You've got last night's sleep time and a breath cycling activity that you can start here. You can make it fast or medium or slow. Gives you a circle, you inhale and you exhale, and you learn that mindfulness meditation process. The nice thing is it vibrates on the inhale and is silent on the exhale, so you can close your eyes to do this activity. Finally, pressing the button brings up all of your apps in here, from settings and app view and the different watch faces you can switch between, your sleep time, sports, options. You've got stopwatch. You even have blood oxygen on this watch as well. You can take those measurements. Weather reported in your area when you're tethered to the app, and it'll be updated over here. You've got your recent call information, your phone book, and you can make calls directly from the dial pad right from here once you're tethered. Remote shutter, find your phone, all those features are on this incredible watch. It's really nice, lightweight, very, very portable, and very inexpensive for all of the features that you see there. It's the FY16 Plus. Check it out.